Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay at Bricks That Clicks. Another customer return pallet. Last one wasn't super crazy for us.
Kind of depressing.
A little bit depressing, but we'll make the money back on it. We spent $345 per pallet, and we bought 11 pallets, so not much money in them. So we'll see what we get in this one. Hopefully, it's not so much customer returns and it's more new stuff. The first 7, 8 of them, 9 of them, were like all brand new overstock. So I'm curious to see if that was just a fluke.
Yeah, I think the first 8 of them were that.
Or
The last one was definitely.
yeah, the last one was definitely customer returns. Definitely customer returns. Definitely. So we'll see what we get in here.
These are brand new, X-Shot.
We sent all those.
Yeah, probably
Those
just
extras.
end of the season.
Yeah, for sure.
You see my favorite.
Full house. That's too funny. The girls been watching that like crazy. Hey, how funny is that? Another helmet.
Another helmet. I've been trying to get him to sell me one. This one actually kind of feels like it's open, so maybe he'll sell me this one at a
Yeah,
really
I
good
forgot about it.
discount.
That could be the kicker there.
That could be the one.
So Connect, it's new inside. So that we'll look it up. eBay these. Some more of the Incredibles. I feel like these aren't selling for us.
No, not at all.
It would have cost it in the auction. Lost Kitties. My daughter loves that. Some of this slime.
Some
I'm starting to think I should be lotting these.
Nerf. Yeah, I set them over on the table though.
Yeah.
The Nerf Rivals looks like they're open, which is awesome. For me, it goes to R&D and I get to test it. He freaking hates it, but we'll lot these together. If both of them work, we'll test them out, make sure everything is functional, and then we'll sell them together.
Another Ninja box. We lighted the last one. Might be lighting the next ones.
Remember to like, subscribe.
Oh yeah. Like,
There
subscribe,
you
follow, turn on notifications, etc., etc. Pimple Pete.
Yeah, throw that away.
That is open.
Muppet Babies looks like it's new, just a little package wear, so we could probably clean that up and send it.
Moji Auto. We sent the unicorn one. She sold it for like $11. So we'll send this one. Hot Wheels. What the heck? Play Track tape. Never
Some
heard of
new
that.
My Little Ponies, some Smashers. These smalls, they'll add up. They don't look like they're big dollars, but you know, if you're looking at, you know, $8 to $10 a piece, that adds up in the end.
Vanilla Shield. We could send those. That's like $12.
Tent.
Oh, another Star Wars. That's different. That tent. I don't know
Yeah,
if I've seen that tent before.
it's open like
Wonder
crazy.
if it's
So we'll have
if
to-
it's good money like the
we'll have to go through it and look.
houses. Mega Construction. Halo. Look at that. Play-Doh, poop emoji. It is new. We'll be able to send that.
Some Nerf Dark paint test stuff. Did you throw these Incredibles?
Yeah, I just threw them in the thing. I just threw them in the thing. Ruby, our generation retro doll. She's new in the box.
More
Lockstar.
Dude card games. I feel like this is a big Lebowski reference, and I'm not. More Dude.
And it might be, it looks like them too a little
Yeah, yeah. Sunglasses.
bit. Ooh, it might be able to send
Beard.
these out. Check that. Some more of those. Nella plush. Might be able to send her. Some spy gear. But I don't even know. Package myself. It has original price at $10 on it. Probably not worth it much.
Fisher Price. New. We usually can't send Fisher Price, though. We have to sell it here.
That retro stuff, we sent all that last time. Remember the
Obviously, I don't remember.
we took the stickers off of it.
Yeah, it was probably like 8 pallets ago.
Slime Lab.
Smushy, mushy.
That's new. Let's see if we can send it. I mean, I think it's not.
Food Factory
It's
game.
playing it.
Game, that one's open, so that won't be worth it.
More dude. I'm intrigued to see. The last card game that you saw the video from the last one, they were $16 a piece, which was crazy. And we got a ton of these slime things.
Some new Nerf. Zombie.
Should be a good lot.
That slime. Yeah, we got a ton of it.
Yeah. There's another rocket we could shoot off.
More Transformer stuff. Looks like it's been open. We'll have to go through and make sure all the accessories are there, but it looks like it is.
Yeah, we sold the red ones.
The Optimus Prime,
Yeah.
the red ones, like really?
Yeah, whatever that red dude.
Know
is.
your characters,
Like
Jesus.
that. He's the strongest of all of them.
Who?
Optimus Prime.
Grimlock.
Who?
Oh my God. Captain Marvel figure, new in the
If
package.
he's the strongest, then why did Optimus Prime ride him in the movie?
Because you're watching the wrong movies.
Nah, I don't think so. I think there's some truth behind it.
Are these worth money, or did we end up sending these to the auction?
No, we sent them to Amazon. I
Did
think
we?
they're like $30.
Nice.
Escape room, hole in it. We're not even gonna mess time. We're gonna sell it online. This stuff isn't worth much right now. Another one of these.
Yeah, it's used. We sent the used ones last time. You don't have any of the balls. See what I did there?
Bother in it. Like your mouth.
Oh! This looks like it's open.
Lego. And the little Shopkins dude. Hey, this is another new one.
Is it?
Looks new to me.
Nice. That was decent money, right?
Yeah. It's like 40, 50 bucks.
New beads.
Another new game here. Visitor.
Slime art, been open, not worth our time. Puzzles, you think puzzles would actually be amazing? They're not. They're absolutely, they make no money. People sell them really cheap. I don't know how they make any money when they ship it. We tried a big lot of them and it still didn't sell.
Toilet paper shoes. Really like that.
Yeah, those are
Fitted
so cheap.
shoes.
Fisher Price, used, looks like it's missing pieces.
Listen, Doug, let's look at the price on it. Once you get to a certain price point, usually around 15 bucks, not even worth selling the stuff online anymore. Blockade, might be able to send that, that's new.
Got some new smalls here.
A lot of smalls, but most of it's not so far.
The small stuff is, yeah, it looks like the big stuff is all.
Now they're one of those emoji things.
These Disney Princess
Oh, they sent
Play-Dohs.
that.
Play-Doh actually doesn't sell that well, surprisingly.
If it's not going to Amazon, it's not worth much.
I think we have these listed and it still hasn't sold.
A bunch of these Mighty Beans. These might be something.
Okay, here we go. Some new Lego Hello Kitty, Unikitty. I said Hello Kitty, Unikitty, my bad.
Come on, you should know that stuff. That's what's on your underwear.
Oh, I just wear it, I don't read it. Hopefully that's good money. Hopefully we can sell it. Being new like that, we should be able to.
Another Mighty Beans. And this is missing the tambourine or whatever the hell it's called.
I think you're right. More puzzles. Oh, we have a lot
More of
stuff
this
for the eye.
line. Some Thomas Minis, glow in the dark. We can send those. Depending on what characters, and I might be looking at 15, 20 bucks.
A lot more of these slime packs. Do we even check to see if we can send these?
I don't think we can send the guava toys. We'll have to double check. Incredibles 2, not worth much right now. Won't waste time. Oh, another Transformer doll. We just sent all these last time, and they've actually all sold already.
Seriously?
Yeah, it was like 20 bucks a piece or something. Clever clear clay.
What are you trying to take a play on my name there?
Yeah, but I didn't know how to use it.
Clearly it's clay.
Oh, I saw it you just there.
See what I did there?
Some more slime.
Some new Patat planes.
Halo.
We can send that. Halo. Actually, you know, you think I would, that's like my favorite video game. You think I would actually collect that stuff. Another plane, little package wear, but we should be able to send that. I'm curious about these mighty beans.
Yeah, we got a ton of them.
Yeah.
Another play set. These are 40 bucks a piece. Just that one.
Well, this is looking a little bit better than the last
for
one.
sure. Bunkhouse.
Just have to go through and check that out. So I'm very curious because they're on your side and I can't get to them, and you're just not touching them.
I know. The boxes.
Yeah, why don't you just get to them so
Like,
I
they're
can
too far down for me.
stop wanting to reach over there and slap you?
Don't lose your cool.
Oh,
We already got a ton of them.
got another of the Nella. She said all of these sold, so that's good.
There it is. Don't
Oh,
lose
is
your
it that
cool.
what it is? Don't lose your cool? That kind of stinks. It's not as exciting as I thought it was going to be.
That was retaped shut, so maybe it's not
Maybe
that.
they just reused the box.
Nope, that's what it is.
Lose your cool.
3 copies of Don't Lose Your Cool.
Slime making station.
Spin Master.
This is not worth a lot of money, so we'll send that to the auction.
We haven't had a pallet like this where I had a ton of smalls. That's
No.
just the bottom of the Gaylord.
No.
Pimple Pete, we'll be able to send all those. There's 3 in that case.
Powder Puff Girl Legos, unopened, new. That's good.
We'll send those.
Decent money. More of this
Break
mighty
free,
beans.
we can send that.
More of the mighty
And look at
beans.
that, Flush and Frenzy. There's a freaking poop.
That's a giant turd on there.
There's a giant turd on it.
That's kind of interesting.
Yeah. It's
Is it open?
no, it's new. Kinda wanna play it.
Take it
Flush
home. The
turd.
girls will probably love it.
You'd probably get a kick out of it.
More puzzles. Junk.
But I like money better. so.
Yeah, you do. Puzzles.
Did we send those to the auction?
I do not think so. I
Alright.
do not recognize
Listen, Doug, looks to be new, we'll find out.
that. I think it was the shapes. Crazy
Listen,
hair and slime, not really worth anything.
Listen, Doug, it's new.
Rocket League. This is new.
Yeah, I sent those.
We had a bunch of the individual packs too. Which
More
I hadn't seen
beans?
before.
And more num-noms.
Beans and num nums. We got a bunch of
Quite a
plush.
bit of-
We get a lot of plush in. Certain characters are worth some money. Certain ones are off-brand. They really aren't worth anything. This has got too many stains on it. Really not worth looking up. So we'll send these to the auction.
More puzzles.
Puzzles.
There's a lot of puzzles in this one. New Barbie, we'll be able to send her.
What was in the Spin Masters?
Those are the pimple, pop to pimples.
Uh,
Lego, brand new, brand new.
Yeah, these are Pimple Pete's too.
Yeah.
That let me down. I was hoping it was gonna be something exciting.
This sounds to be open, used.
We're not.
We
gonna
did
send
shoot
that.
them off before. They are a lot of fun.
They are a lot of fun. Someone here forgot to put new batteries in there and set it off accidentally, so that was pretty funny.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, you may see that somewhere. More Pimple Pete. They're brand new though, so I mean that's.
Yeah, I would take it.
Yeah.
Shoot. Rusty rivets, some more Zoops, and some more of those emoji dudes.
Looks like we got some Zoomer.
It's $50.
Looks like it's new. Take that all day.
Fancy Nancy, new play sets. Yeah, this one's definitely better than the last one we just did.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, check out the last video, and you'll get updates if you like, subscribe, follow, turn on notifications, so when we do list.
And if you watch, these stupid psychic things keep coming. They're not worth anything.
Another water baby.
Granted, I probably shouldn't say they're stupid because I hope you're buying them at the auction from us.
Yeah, it's true. Princess set.
Ooh, this one's open. We'll have to take a look at this one. It might just be torn packaging.
Yeah, maybe it's sealed inside.
Yeah, because it doesn't sound like it's moving around in there.
It's
So
another water baby. Man, we should have grabbed more coats. Oh, I guess we got boxes right there. Wheelies. I like the battery's just dead on it.
ask and you shall receive.
Ah. It's nice of you.
I do what I can.
more puzzles. A lot, man, we got a ton of puzzles in this
Some
one.
hex bug. Looks like it's new. That should be decent money. Some more of the Rocket League individual pieces.
Books. No, these are usually around 10 to 15 bucks a piece online.
And we got a leap pad. It looks open.
Nerf ammo, sketch grams. Ah, it's 20 bucks regular.
What's up, ladies? What's going on?
Tillman. Junk. Junk.
You say you're filming.
More junk.
Stone 8, brand new.
Probably a lot this. Mr. Pop. I feel like that's a game that Ella wanted. More junk. More tape. More minis to send. Another bunch of top wing.
Bunch of little stuff that's not working.
Getting to the end here. More of those tape pop cuties that we have a ton of. And that's about it. 2 more items. Got some Play-Doh, Legos, and our generation, and a shotguns. So definitely a much better shipment than what we've been dealing with. Yeah, for sure. So you look at everything. I mean, definitely, 345 bucks worth of stuff is what we're shooting for. We got 100 bucks just in the Zoomers. The Pimple Pete, we got 3 cases, so there's 90 bucks. Don't Lose Your Cool, there's another 30 bucks. So you just run through, start adding it all up, and the money's there. And you got your Legos on top, so there's some extra stuff. So overall, not a bad shipment considering what we were shooting for. And then we still got one more pallet left, and I'm excited about that because I already can see some really cool stuff on it.
Right.
Yeah, for sure. So make sure to check back, like, subscribe, follow, turn on notifications so you get updates, and you'll see all the cool stuff that we get in on a consistent basis. But we will be back momentarily for the next pallet.
Classy.
Stay classy. We'll be back.